something's happening again. I just don't know what the issue is. I think the top end's fine. It's just, I don't know, the bottom idling. I've got to go. I'm an extra for this film, so I'm on my way there now. It's about 25 minutes away. See if the bike can make it there. That's what I'm hoping. So I need to take the bike out. It's just sitting there collecting dust. It's gotta be windy. It's like I can feel it. It's a windy day. Jesus. Just realised my pockets. No, my pockets are open. Anyone got my phone? Son of a road back there, though. Yeah, so the producer is Chris Overton, both award-winning. He won an Oscar for a short film called Silent Child. So I'm part of this acting group, and yeah, it's pretty good. You get some opportunities as well, like this. Some paid, some not. But it's good to get your name out there, even if it is free and you're not getting paid. Don't know where it might lead to. No idle. Yay! No idle. I wonder why that is. I don't have a clue. If anyone knows what the issue may be, help me out. I have been tampering with the idle screw. I have been turning it up and down. I think I have. I mean, it looks like the idle screw. It's got a cog on it. I'll take a picture and I'll put it up now. So if this isn't the idle screw, then what is? Because I don't know. I do need to look at the manual really and start trying myself with certain things. Save me some time and money. It just scares me to open the bike up or do anything on it, because I'm not very good at remembering how to put things back. I'll literally forget to put something in and then something will blow up. I'm sure of it. Bloody hell, took my helmet off then. The wind. Maybe it wasn't the best day to come out, but all next week is just rain. Yeah, so that'd be much obliged if someone could help me. I want to know what is wrong with my bike. Some bikers, ooh, their bike doesn't have an idle problem, does it? Jesus! Honest, something's flickering on the top of my head. I think it's this. It feels like it. It's a shame because I love this bike. It's just, I'm starting to think, is it worth keeping, because I have so many issues with it. When I say so many issues, okay, there's not many, but like issues that I can't solve and people can't solve. Like, it really puts me off. Like, maybe I should have a modern bike and maybe I have less problems. I don't know. I feel like a computer system won't tell me where the problem would be, surely. Who wants to buy it off me? I gotta hold it now for idle. The same problem I had before. But luckily everything works apart from that. I'm going to try fiddling with the screw when I get there. See if I can make it at least like idle for a bit. I'm just a skater boy and then a scooter boy. Hey up. That's part of the acting. I thought I'd give it a run while it's not raining. I thought I'd give it a run while it's not raining. Just if you keep holding that there like that, just a little bit, like I've just got to sort this idle screw out. It's doing me head in. It's dead sensitive.
Why will it clock time out?
It keeps cutting out. I don't know why. That's hot. That is really hot. No, that's right. Is it running on its own? Are you doing anything?
I'm not touching it.
Aren't you? Okay, that's right. Leave it on, mate. There we are. I found it.
Yeah, it sounds pretty better.
I need it on 1,000. So what? When did you get it?
No, I've been here a while, I have.
Have you actually?
It's been stuck around.
What time did you get it?
Well, I say a while, I've probably been about 15 minutes. I got here dead on 3.
Yeah.
Did it?
Dead on 3. Oh, what time is it now?
10 past.
Oh wow, I just got it then. I was starting my bike up and it went running right. I was like, what's going on?
You did the right decision. I was so lucky finding a space.
I really, yeah, no, that's what I thought as well. I was like, it's gonna be packed.
I've literally just managed to find. I've gone in a corner. I have just.
Have you got any space next to you? No, I was gonna buy
Actually, there is for your bike,
Is there?
but it's not on. It's not on here. It's on like.
Oh, where are you?
It's on like. So see the slated area.
Yeah.
I'm in the very corner.
Right over, what, down there?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's worth me going down there. See how good this is off-road? Just wheel spin. Oh yeah. Make sure it doesn't bloody move.